the peaceful suburban morning is disrupted by the rumble of a delivery truck stopping before a sun-drenched house. Inside, Lily, a 6-year-old with sparkling eyes, watches with barely contained excitement. Sunlight streams in as Lily anticipates the arrival. Her face radiates pure joy as the delivery unfolds. The front door swings open, revealing Lily's mum and a mysterious package resting silently on the porch. Lily's anticipation explodes in a flurry of jumps, her excitement barely contained. Her eyes shine with uncontainable curiosity. The large package promises untold wonders, igniting Lily's imagination. Lily attacks the box, tearing through cardboard with fierce anticipation. A cascade of vibrant toys spills forth. Dolls, cars, tea sets, a rainbow of building blocks and art supplies. Her eyes widen, reflecting the colorful chaos of childhood dreams realized. The room is now a playground, bursting with the promise of endless adventures. Lily's small hands eagerly reach into the toy box, each discovery sparking a fresh wave of anticipation. Her eyes widen, reflecting the colorful array of toys pulled out one by one. A burst of pure, unrestrained joy escapes her lips as she giggles, her small body shaking with delight. Tiny hands clap together, celebrating each new treasure unearthed from the depths of the toy box. In the living room, Lily kneels, her tiny hands meticulously arranging her beloved toys on the floor. Her eyes sparkle with childlike wonder as she surveys her colorful collection, each toy a treasure. With gentle fingers, she picks up a doll, smoothing its hair with tender care. Lily cradles the doll, lost in her own world of imagination and innocent joy. Under the bright sun, Mia and Tom cycle down the street, their silhouettes growing larger as they approach Lily's house. The vibrant colors of their bikes flash against the green lawn, signaling their arrival. Riding side by side, they share a look of eager anticipation, their smiles mirroring each other. Their hands lift from the handlebars in a synchronized wave, a gesture of pure, youthful excitement. The wheels crunch on the gravel driveway as they near, their laughter echoing through the open air. Lily's front yard transforms into a stage for friendship, bathed in the golden light of a perfect day. Mia and Tom enter the living room, their expressions shifting from weariness to surprise in an instant. A vibrant explosion of toys litters the floor, a colorful chaos that speaks of joyful abandonment. Lily stands in the center of it all, her small figure radiating warmth and uncontainable excitement. Her arms are flung wide open, an unspoken invitation to join in the playful revelry. The room transforms into a haven of laughter and light, erasing all traces of the day's burdens. Amidst a playful chaos of scattered toys, 3 children gather in the living room's heart, their eyes gleaming with anticipation. A silent agreement passes between them as their small hands reach for the colorful blocks, a shared mission igniting their spirits. Giggles bubble up, light and infectious, as the first block finds its place, the foundation of a dream taking shape. With focused determination, they stack the blocks, one atop another, their collaborative energy creating a tower of hope. The tower grows, each addition a testament to their teamwork, a fragile yet resilient monument rising against the odds. A precarious balance is achieved, a moment of breathless anticipation hanging in the air as their creation reaches for the sky. Sunlight floods the living room, illuminating dust motes dancing in the air like tiny, glittering stars. A brightly colored, slightly chipped tea set sits on a small, round table, a stage for childish fantasy. Dolls and stuffed animals are meticulously arranged as guests, their stitched eyes fixed in silent anticipation. The children giggle, their faces flushed with joy as they pour imaginary tea into tiny cups. Pretend biscuits are offered with grand gestures, a feast of the imagination unfolding in the sunlit room. In this small world, the chipped tea set and silent guests bear witness to the boundless creativity of children. In a vibrant living room, Lily, Mia, and Tom are immersed in their artistic pursuits. A kaleidoscope of art supplies surrounds them, each tool a gateway to boundless imagination. Lily meticulously sketches, her brow furrowed in concentration as she brings her vision to life. Mia boldly splashes colors onto her canvas, creating a vibrant tapestry of emotions. Tom carefully molds clay, his hands shaping a whimsical sculpture that reflects his unique perspective. The room buzzes with creativity as each artist pours their heart and soul into their work. Toys are scattered across the living room, a playground now silent, awaiting order. Lily surveys the aftermath, a thoughtful expression hinting at a plan. "How about we clean up together?" Lily suggests, her voice hopeful. "Okay," Mia chirps. Tom agrees. "Sure." And so the toys are gathered, chaos turning to order. Sunlight floods the living room, illuminating a scene of youthful industry. Small hands work in unison, a flurry of motion as toys find their homes. Colorful toys line the shelves, a vibrant testament to teamwork. Giggles and chatter fill the air, weaving a tapestry of childhood joy. Bright faces shine with pride, reflecting the satisfaction of a job well done. Lily's mom enters the living room, her gaze sweeping over the unusually tidy space. Her eyes widen slightly, a silent question forming on her lips as she takes in the scene. A surprised yet pleased expression dawns on her face as she assesses the transformation. "Wow, look at you two," she exclaims, her voice filled with genuine admiration and warmth. Her eyes sparkle with pride as she adds, "What a great team." Bathed in the kitchen's warm light, Lily stands ready, offering help with a hopeful gleam in her eyes. "Mom, let me help with the chores," Lily offers, her voice ringing with youthful enthusiasm. Mia and Tom, mirroring Lily's eagerness, chime in with spirited offers. "I can help too. Yeah, me too." The kitchen, a haven of domesticity, buzzes with the promise of shared work and familial warmth. Inside a warmly lit kitchen, children gather, eager to help Lily's mom. Small hands carefully place napkins, a sense of shared purpose filling the air. Silverware gleams under the light as they work together, their movements coordinated and cheerful, a symphony of familial warmth as they prepare the table with love and anticipation. In the heart of the kitchen, Lily, Mia, and Tom beam with radiant smiles, their camaraderie a beacon of warmth. Lily's mom embraces the trio, her eyes sparkling with heartfelt gratitude, her arms a haven of thanks. "Thank you all so much for your help and friendship," Lily's mom says, her voice thick with emotion. "It means the world to me," she adds, her words hanging in the air, a testament to their unbreakable bond.